Assalamu alaikum students. Now we do the question number 3 in which we are required to simplify and write your answer in the form of a plus b iota in the standard form of a complex number. Let's begin with the part 1. In part 1 we learn how to multiply, how to find the product of the two complex numbers. It's very simple. It is the basic principle of the multiplication of two algebraic expression. So minus 7 is first multiplied to this whole expression, mean minus 3 plus 2 iota plus 3 iota is multiplied to minus 3 plus 2 iota. So both the terms are multiplied one by one with this second expression. Minus 7 minus minus plus 7 3s are 21 minus plus minus 7 2s are 14 iota plus minus minus 3 3s are 9 iota plus 3 2s are 6 iota into iota. Powers are added, so 1 plus 1 2, so iota square we write over here. 21 signs are same, so the coefficients are added. 14 and 9 becomes 23 minus 23 iota plus 6 iota square. Put the value minus 1. 21 minus 23 iota minus 6. 21 minus 6 becomes 15 minus 23 iota. In part 2, we learn the same phenomena which we learn in question number 1. We can write under root minus 4 as the product of 4 and minus 1. 3 minus 4 multiply minus 1. That is how we can simplify 2 minus. According to the properties of square root, we can separate under root 4 multiply under root minus 1. 3 minus under root 4 multiply under root minus 1. 2 minus 2 iota, it becomes y, because we know that under root 4 is equal to 2 and under root minus 1 is equal to iota. Similarly, in the second expression, 3 minus 2 iota it becomes. Now it is in simple form of complex number. So 2 is multiplied to 3 minus 2 iota, whereas second term minus 2 iota is multiplied to 3 minus 2 iota. 2 3s are 6 plus minus minus 2 2s are 4 iota minus 2 3s are 6 iota minus minus plus 2 2s are 4 iota square. 6 minus 10 iota, as signs are same, coefficients are added, 4 6 10 plus 4, put the value of iota square, that is minus 1. We get what? 6 minus 10 iota plus minus minus 4. 6 minus 4 becomes 2 minus 10 iota. That is the simplified form of this question in standard form. In part 3, we are required to find out the square of a complex number. For this reason, we have to apply a formula. And that formula is a minus b whole square is equal to a square plus b square minus 2ab. The value of a is actually under root 5, whereas the value of b is 3 iota. Now we apply the formula. According to this formula, that value will be under root 5 whole square plus 3 iota whole square minus 2 into under root 5 3 iota. We replace the value of a and b. Square is cancelled by square root. We have 5, whereas 3 square is equal to 9. Iota square for second term we have minus rational number multiplied with rational number. 2 3 is 6. Under root 5, irrational number is separated. Iota is written separately. 5 plus 9 iota square is equal to minus 1 minus 6 under root 5 iota. 5 minus 9 minus 6 under root 5 iota, and finally we get minus 4 minus 6 under root 5 iota. That is the simplified form of this part 3 in standard form of complex number. In the next part, part 4, we observe there is a bar symbol present over the second complex number. Bar means conjugate. So it means first of all we have to write its conjugate. And conjugate can be written by changing the sign of the value of iota, and that becomes 3 plus 2 iota. Now we multiply 2 into 3 plus 2 iota. Minus 3 iota is multiplied to the second expression 3 plus 2 iota. 2 3s are 6, 2 2s are 4 iota, minus 3 3s are 9 iota, minus plus minus 3 2s are 6 iota square. 6, 4 minus 9 minus 5. Signs are different, therefore subtraction process we done over here for finding the difference. Minus 5 iota minus 6, put the value of iota square, that is minus 1. 6 minus 5 iota minus minus plus 6. We have 12 minus 5 iota as the simplified form and standard form of complex number. That is all for the question number 2. Thank you.